Alright, here we go. This is our 1920 Upper Deck Buybacks double box break number 1. First thing we're going to do is randomize the list of participants. Everybody on here in the request spot number. Start with Ralph, who had spot 1. Darren T. Manic Hat Fan in spot 31. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Do that quickly. Do the teams. We got all 31 NHL teams on here. Nothing but a quarter. Start with Anaheim. And Winnipeg. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Run that quickly. I'm just going to copy paste those lists in my spreadsheet or read off everybody's team. One moment, please. Alright, CDF 36 got Carolina, Darren 1, Montreal, OKGN, Anaheim, Ottawa, New Jersey. CDF, Vancouver, Rocky, Boston, Ralph, Washington, Skipjacks, Nashville. Hockey House, Winnipeg, K-Man, Dallas, Ray Cole, New York Rangers, Colin Van, San Jose, Darren 1, Los Angeles, OKGN, Minnesota, T. Kurt, Buffalo, Steve, Chicago, LB, Toronto, CDF, New York Islanders, Darren, Las Vegas, OKGN, Edmonton, Hockey House, Columbus, OKGN, Tampa Bay, Robert, Detroit, OKGN, Florida, Skipjacks, Arizona, Ray Cole, Calgary, Darren 1, Pittsburgh, Manic Half Fan, Philadelphia, Ralph, St. Louis, and Jordy, Colorado. So, this. Alright. Here you go. Box numero uno. Mega Mix coming up next. Last break of the day. Good luck, everybody. We've got an Emerald Baser, 9 of 25 for New Jersey, Martin Brodeur. And Young Guns Auto, 64-64 for Edmonton, Nail Yakupov. Not a word, Brian. Alright, so first card, Jersey, that is going to OKGN. And Edmonton is OKGN. Darren, you've got Montreal, Los Angeles, and Pittsburgh. Here you go. Box two. Good luck. No problem. Got a baser. This is 135, 199 for Buffalo. Jack Eichel. That'll go to T. Kurt. And our hit card here. We got a Canvas Young Guns auto, 18 to 25 for Carolina, Sebastian Aho. There we go. Carolina was CDF 36. All right, and there we go. Buybacks. Double box break. Number 1 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.